welcome back to my channel. That little high note right there, that's gonna cut some viewers. I don't even know how to like begin this. Okay, basically for the past year, as you guys know, if you follow me on Instagram especially, I've been learning how to produce music. Not many. My dishwasher's like, I guess apparently ready. I didn't produce this. My friend Charlie is going to be here any minute now, and I thought it'd be funny to do the drunk producer challenge. I have to give a shout out to Alicia because I saw her do like a drunk Q&A the other day, and I was like, you know what? Alicia, thank you for taking that step for all of the lifestyle YouTubers. We can now drink on camera. I haven't taken shots in so long. I don't even know how long it's gonna take to kick in. So hopefully this works. Okay, I'm gonna cut the camera off and I'll be back when she is here. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Charlie's here.
Is it filming?
Yeah.
Every time we've hung out so far, something insane has happened. So I really like songwriting. That's mostly what I focus on. I've been teaching myself how to produce over the past year, but she definitely has more production skill, and I love playing the piano and songwriting and singing.
Are we just gonna do, we gotta do straight shots. I feel like.
We have to do straight shots.
Charlie, what's your drink of choice today?
So usually I do vodka cranberries, like your basic ass. Wait, can I swear?
I'll put like a little American Idol like.
Hi, my name is Charlie Jordan. I'm a I like vodka cranberries, orange juice, so technically that's a screwdriver.
Okay, hi, I'm Ava Gutowski. Today I'm drinking Casamigos, some fancy stuff, you know? It's like $40 at the grocery store.
She rich. Wait, shot glasses?
I don't think I own a shot glass.
Oh wow,
That's a big one.
this isn't gonna be hard.
What are we doing here?
I rage.
Ready, guys?
Cheers. Wait.
It's okay, we're in the club. We're in the club.
Okay, so she has to take 2 shots, but I think we should take 3 shots.
Should I put music on? Should we be like, wait, that's way too much. Alexa, play music in the club.
This bag, I know.
About to make some music, y'all. See you in the studio. Dude,
What?
it's like hitting me.
Bruh.
We're both bra girls. I have to say these shots are definitely kicking in. How
I
do you?
feel so like
I know.
Tumblr, look at this.
We have to decide what genre we're making. House? Are we doing like TikTok?
123,
Okay.
124.
Oh, hey, Charlie's ready in the studio.
Okay. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro.
I kind of want to hear the TikTok one.
They said no to Hickey, I said
That's actually sick. Ooh, I'm so torn.
Stupid
House
TikTok
music
beats.
or Tik?
I have this beat. It's kind of more like R&B, but if you like it, you can work on that one. But it might require some singing.
It's this song, and it was called like "Let My Love Get You Loose."
Every
Every session
sample.
I've been in,
We just spilled.
the camera died. She spilled on her laptop. Get the paper towels. That's really not good. Oh,
Okay, you know, we're just waiting.
is the towel wet?
Okay, we're good. We were gonna be good from the beginning. We're good.
There's ice all over this.
This is why I don't get drunk.
So I wrote these lyrics a little while ago. Doesn't matter who you love, as long as you're getting some. We don't really have to choose. Let my love get you loose. Love should be your lead to life. That way you'll find paradise. We really should.
Should we just do that?
That's perfect.
That's sick. That's great.
This little liquid courage here has got me singing, because normally, like,
Me as
I don't
well.
know, in the studio, like, I messed around with singing, but I'm definitely more of like a songwriter, so
Yeah,
I always
yeah,
get
yeah.
really shy when I'm recording. Or doing straight from the bottle.
No way, I don't have any.
Easier,
I feel like I should like at least get some more
like always,
oh,
like,
juice.
doesn't matter who you love. I'll take you to the world, we'll drive and take some ecstasy.
I'll set you up to like record. Okay,
Okay,
you ready for that?
yes. I could do, it doesn't matter who you love. And then you do
As long as we're getting some.
thoughts.
That's it.
Okay,
Okay, so I use Ableton. You know, vocal chains require so many different effects to get what you want. It's like a waste of time to do that every single time you record vocals. So I've saved my vocal chain so that when Charlie gets on the booth, it's already done. Like I don't have to like put a bunch of effects. Okay, so anyway.
But every producer like also has very unique like vocal chains, which is really cool. Especially in Ableton, it's like one of the more complicated software.
Okay, so this is autotune. A lot of people have like problems with autotune, but listen, everyone uses autotune. I'm not gonna bullshit you, okay? See this retune speed? You can put it on 0, which means like no autotune, to like share Do You Believe in Love autotune, which is like this speed. Normally when I record vocals, I'll put it on like a 30 or 40 because that basically means you can't notice it at all. Kind of not working until you get to like 30, 20. I think singing without autotune helps you sing better. And then once Charlie records her vocals, I'll put the autotune to 20, which is like industry standard. And it gives you a really clean, perfect audio. I'm like drunkenly explaining autotune, okay? All your favorite singers use
Like,
autotune.
oh my god, I have to sing.
It just depends on if they put it to 10 or 20 or 30 or 40, okay? But hello. Oh. Hello. I'm an engineer as well. Do you feel good?
Love should be your lead to
I'm
life.
going for it. I'm not
That
gonna-
sounds really good.
Okay,
Look at you. I'm hearing some explosions in my headphones.
Oh, music is so scientific. There's so many like sample rates, frequencies, like it's crazy.
It doesn't matter who you love. It's doing the cracklies.
Is it doing the cracklies?
It's not doing the cracklies.
Okay.
It doesn't matter who you love.
We don't really have to choose. Let my love get you loose. Love should be elite.
Sounds pretty good. Sounds good. You sound good.
Thank you.
So-
You're fucking crushing it with the. Okay, honestly, 50% of the time I record vocals with people, it's like really frustrating because people, I don't know, everybody has different settings like I was talking about. So like sometimes I'll jump into a studio with someone and they have like all these settings that they've used before,
Uh-huh.
and they put on my voice and it like doesn't really match my
Yeah.
key or my tone or anything like that. So like that was actually fire. Not gonna lie.
I'm gonna use a 1/4 delay. I think I'm gonna use that.
I think I wrote this like 2 months ago. It was like right after I had gone through my breakup. I was with someone for 2.5 years and we broke up, and like I don't know, people get really jaded after they end things, right? Like, or like when you get out of a relationship, it can be hard to just enjoy love again because you know how hard it can be to lose it. So the let my love get you loose type of thing is like just go with the flow. Like enjoy what you're feeling. Like even if there's no title to it or whatever, but it's all right to be jaded and all right to have that time to recover and heal after those relationships. But I think that you should always still let people back in and like, trust people.
Yeah.
What did you grow up listening to?
Oh my god, I grew up listening to. I was a scene kid. Like I was like in the punk scene, and I would be like at Warped
miss
Tour,
that.
crowd surfing. So I'll duplicate that vocal.
I'm gonna go get the orange juice real quick.
Get it. Get it. I am. Oh, hello? Yep, the crickly cracklies are back. It stops as soon as it. As long as you're getting some. Just gonna grab my lean. We just recorded the vocals. I just want to like let you guys know, recording vocals most of the time it takes like hours and hours. Did you just? Oh, I thought that was. I'm gonna chop up the vocals, put it into a drum rack, pad, boop bop, bit 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 bop away.
We don't really have to. Doesn't.
So I'm gonna like finesse the song a little bit, but I feel like it's at a good point.
We've been working on it for like an hour. Got some vocal chops.
Got some vocals in there. I think it sounds pretty good.
I want to hear it.
Should we listen to it?
Yes.
Okay.
We listened to it a couple times, but.
Okay. Really quick, I want to give a shout out, okay? The guitar in this sample is from my friend Gabe. We made this beat together a couple months ago and we didn't do anything with it, but Gabe is a really amazing producer and songwriter. He's so good, so I'm gonna link him down below. Go check him out on Spotify. Thanks, Gabe, for this guitar.
Shout out, Gabe.
Shout out to Gabe.
It doesn't matter who you love, as long as you're getting some. We don't really have to choose. Baby, let my love get you loose.
Hello.
Love should be your lead to life. That way you'll find paradise. We really shouldn't have to choose. Let my love get you loose. Let's go take some ecstasy, baby, yeah. Let's go take some ecstasy, baby, yeah, baby, yeah.
Pretty damn good for an hour.
For an hour? That's pretty damn good.
If y'all want the full version,
You go swipe up, check out my SoundCloud.
give this a thumbs up if you want the full version. If this gets, I don't know, 100,000 likes, maybe
If
we'll.
we actually sat down and made like a full song,
I feel like Charlie and I could like make some.
keep an eye out. Keep an eye out.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this big. I'm still so drunk.
Give us a big thumbs up, not a small one.
Give this
but a
video.
big one.
Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked this drunk producer challenge. If you guys want us to do more drunk producer challenges, comment down below what genre you want us to try next.
A little R&B this time, maybe
Well,
a little house next time, some trap, some
Little rap.
headbanging.
Subscribe to Charlie's channel
Subscribe to her channel.
and subscribe to mine. And follow me on Instagram, Twitter, all that fun stuff we linked down below. Get excited for the EP. It's coming soon.
I'm
And
excited for her APP. I've been waiting for so long.
that's it for this video. I love you guys and I'll see you next week.
Bye.